In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Amazon shipping address after ordering. So if you go to Amazon.com and if you go and click on returns and order at the top right corner. So here an example, you should find your orders. Just go and close this. And here's an example, if you didn't find your order here, you can go and click on like any year. Maybe it's probably it will not be more than 3 months if you want to change like the address, but it's fine. So if you go to your orders here, you should find all the order that you want. You can just go and find the order that you want to change the address of and click on view order details. You'll find an option there. Once you click on that, if the order hasn't shipped yet, you can go and find a change button next to the shipping address. You can select your new address or enter a new one and then use or click on use this address to confirm. Or then your order will now ship to the updated location. And if the option example is missing, the item is likely already being prepared or shipped. In this case, you can just tap cancel item and then reorder with the correct address or contact Amazon customer service for help. You can always contact them because it's the best help if you didn't find example what to do. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.